Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can convert your personal account, which is your personal Pinterest account, into a business account. So you can do this on the Pinterest app and on the website as well. So I'll be opting for the Pinterest app in this tutorial. So now let's get going with the procedure. So what you need to do is, you can see I'm on my Pinterest wall here. So I tap on my profile picture down here. Good. So on here I move to account management to do that. So I tap on that. So before you can turn your account into a business account, your account shouldn't be a private account. So in my previous video, I showed you guys how to make your Pinterest account a private account. So if you've turned your account into a private account, you need to, uncheck that, and then you come here. So when you come here, you're going to find this option here, which is convert to a business account. So let's tap on that. Good. And then let's tap on that as well, convert to business. So now we need to set up a profile name, which is, let's use our name, our YouTube channel name. Good. So now let's move to next. Let's try to add a website. Okay. You can skip this if you don't have a website, but then I want to add a website. So I want to add my YouTube channel, something like that. youtube.com and then / at my channel name. But now let's move to next. So let me choose a blogger or a publisher. No, this rather. Now let's tap on next. So would you be interested in running ads? I'm not sure yet. Now let's proceed. Good. And then our account will be reloading, and then it will be turned into a business account now. So that's it. You've turned your account into a business account. You can see this, you can see my analytics and everything. It has been turned to a business account. So that's it. And you can see this, the link of my YouTube channel on there. So that's it on how you can turn your personal account on Pinterest into a business account. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.